Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the Archstronaut Testnet to earn as much XP and all as possible. So the first thing to do is to visit the Archstronaut dashboard using the link in the description and connect your non-Unisat wallet. For this testnet, you'll be using two types of wallets, your Unisat wallet and the non-Unisat wallet. The recommended wallet to connect to your Archstronaut dashboard is your non-Unisat Bitcoin wallet, like the OKX wallet, Magic Eden, and the likes. While for the Archstronaut dApps like Saturn and FunkyBit, you can use your Unisat wallet. This is because using the same Unisat wallet on your Archstronaut dashboard and FunkyBit dApps creates a bug that's difficult to fix. So if you check out the documentation, which I recommend you read thoroughly, you will see what I'm saying. So once you land on the dashboard, click Connect Wallets and select a non-Unisat wallet. In this case, I'll be using OKX. Accept the connection request. Click Sign. Accept the signature request. And now this wallet is connected to the Archstronaut dashboard. The next thing to do is to add a testnet wallet. This is the wallet you'll be using to interact on the Testnet dApps like Saturn and FunkyBit, which is different from the non-Unisat wallet you just connected to your dashboard. To add a testnet wallet, click Add Testnet Wallet, click X to close this pop-up and select Unisat. Accept the connection request in your wallet. Accept the signature request. And now your testnet wallet has been connected. So to confirm that you've actually connected a different address on your dashboard, click the leaderboard and scroll to the bottom to see your position. And here you can see your address is different. So this address that shows on the leaderboard is the address connected to your Archstronaut dashboard. It should be different from your testnet wallet address, which you use to interact with the testnet dApps. If you've already connected a Unisat wallet to your Archstronaut dashboard, all you need to do is to create a new account on your Unisat wallet and use that account to interact on Saturn and FunkyBit. Then connect it here, the same way we connected the testnet wallet. So you can easily create a new account on your Unisat wallet. Make sure you're on this tab, click the account, click the plus icon, give it a name. I recommend you use Arch Testnet so you can remember, and click create account. Now this is the account you will use to connect to your Arch Testnet dApps. The Arch Testnet supports the native SegWit and Taproot address types. So ensure you set your wallet to use any of those as the default. I prefer using the Taproot. To set your Taproot address as the default, launch your Unisat wallet, click Settings. If you want your wallet to open in a new tab, click Expand View. Go to your settings, select address type. Remember, it supports the native SegWit or the Taproot. I just prefer the Taproot address type as it's consistent with my other testnets. So whichever one you choose, it's fine, but make sure whichever one you select is the address you use when interacting on Saturn and FunkyBit, because if you change your address type, you may discover that your O or XP may be reset to 0. So make sure you use the same address type when interacting on all testnet dApps on the Archstronaut Testnet. This is the Taproot address. You can click the copy icon to copy it. You use this address to claim test tokens from the various faucets you'll be interacting with. Once you've connected your non-Unisat wallet to your Archstronaut dashboard and your Unisat wallet as a testnet wallet, the next thing to do is to claim test tokens. The Archstronaut Testnet is on Bitcoin Testnet 4, so you need to claim TBTC on Bitcoin Testnet 4. Here you will find faucets for claiming TBTC on Bitcoin Testnet 4. The link is in the description. I highly recommend the AltQuick faucet. You'll also find a link in the description for the AltQuick faucet guide. You can also claim 1000 Testnet BUSD and 10,000 sats on the bound faucet. So visit the bound faucet, you'll find the link in the description. Paste your Taproot address here, complete the captcha, and click Get Testnet BUSD. To switch to Bitcoin Testnet 4 in your Unisat wallet, click the network drop-down menu at the top right, and if the Bitcoin Testnet is closed, click the drop-down menu to bring it up, and make sure Bitcoin Testnet 4 is selected. So you can close this. Now you can see your TBTC balance and your Bitcoin Testnet 4 address. Once you've claimed test tokens, you can start with your missions. You can either click the Start Missions button or you click the Missions button here. So complete the onboarding missions. You will need to connect your X and Discord. Once you connect your X and Discord, you won't be able to disconnect them unless you open a ticket in the Discord. So choose your account wisely. So complete each of these onboarding missions. They are weekly missions. You can click on them to complete them, and they are daily missions. These are the on-chain missions that will earn you the XP and all for interacting on the Testnet dApps daily. There are also community missions. You can also complete them to earn your XP. So to complete your daily missions, click daily missions, and you'll be required to swap and provide liquidity on Saturn. For FunkyBit, you will need to swap Test USDC for TBTC. So to interact on Saturn, click Start, and it will take you to the Saturn dApp. The first thing to do here is to connect your Unisat Testnet wallet. So click Connect and select your Unisat wallet here. Accept the switch in your wallet if it prompts a switch. Accept the connection request and accept the signature request. Once your wallet is connected to Saturn, you can start swapping and providing liquidity. These are the interactions that will earn you XP. You will also want to mint runes. This will help you to get test tokens that you can use to swap and provide liquidity. Click on each of these buttons and accept the approval request in your wallet to mint them. So I'll be using this as an example. To mint this, click this button, accept the signature request, and that's it. To swap, click swap, select the token you want to swap from in the drop-down menu, select the token you want to swap to in the drop-down menu, enter the amount of the token you want to swap, and click submit. Accept the signature request in your wallet and wait for the transaction to be submitted to the mempool. Not all pairs have liquidity. For example, if I select this pair, if you see this error, it means there is no liquidity for that token pair, so you choose another token from the drop-down menu. So the more swaps you perform and more liquidity you provide on Saturn, the more XP and all you earn. Your transactions reset daily at 12 AM UTC. To provide liquidity on Saturn, click Pools, select any pool, select a fee range, any of them you choose is fine. Click Deposit, enter the amount of each token you want to provide in the pool. I prefer choosing total volume, which represents the dollar worth of the liquidity you'll be providing. Enter the dollar volume here and it will auto-populate the amount of tokens that correspond to the volume you've selected. Click Submit and approve the request in your wallet. If you see something like this, just type confirm in the text box and click confirm. Accept the signature request and wait for the transaction to be submitted to the mempool. You can create a pool by clicking Create Pool, and this will create a token pair between BTC and any other token you choose. So click the drop-down menu to select the other token, select the fee tier, and click Submit. Accept the request in your wallet. If you see this prompt, type confirm in your text box and click confirm. So here the pool already exists, so you can't create a pool that is already existing. So you have to scroll to each of the tokens one by one to find the token whose pool isn't existing to create, but this is how to create a pool. The next interaction is on FunkyBit. Use the FunkyBit link in the description and you will see this page. Click Enroll Now, select your Unisat wallet and accept the connection request. Accept the signature request. The next thing to do is to connect your EVM wallet. Click Start, select your preferred wallet, accept the connection request. If this is your first time interacting with this dApp, you may see a prompt asking you to add a custom network to accept the request and accept the signature request. You also get a signature request from your Unisat wallet, so accept it. And now You can link your Discord account by clicking start and link your Twitter account by clicking start. Click start here to start trading. You will get a request to add some tokens to your wallet, so approve those requests. To start using FunkyBit, you will need to deposit some TUSDC. Click deposit, and here you can deposit up to 10,000 TUSDC. Click submit and accept the request in your wallet. To start trading, click start trading, and here all you need to do on FunkyBit is to swap TUSDC for TBTC. So now we already have some TUSDC to swap. Enter the amount of TUSDC you want to swap. Click swap, accept the request in your wallet, and that's it. Swap has been completed. You can swap as many times as possible. You can also deposit TBTC and TUSDC. To deposit tokens, click dashboard and scroll to the bottom. Here you can see your available tokens, you can see your deposits here, and you can see your withdrawals here. To deposit a token, click the deposit icon just beside the token. Right now deposits are limited, but you can see here that withdrawals are available. So you can see the withdrawal icon is active. So if the deposit icon is active, it means you can deposit. Click the deposit icon, enter the amount of the tokens you want to deposit, and accept the request in your wallet. The more TUSDC swaps you make to TBTC, the more XP and all you earn from FunkyBit. Now on FunkyBit, you can use the same wallet you connected to your Arch dashboard or the Unisat wallet you added as a Testnet wallet. It doesn't matter. But on Saturn, you must use the Testnet Unisat wallet. FunkyBit also has its separate campaign where you earn points for being among the top traders on the leaderboard. So if you click home, here you can see a leaderboard which is ranked based on the profit that the traders have earned in the trading day. So the more profit you earn, the higher up you'll be on the leaderboard for that day, and the more FunkyBit points you'll earn. These FunkyBit points are different from your XP and all on the Arch network dashboard. So the FunkyBit points are for FunkyBit's airdrop campaign. The XP and all are for the Arch Testnet campaign. As you interact on the Arch Testnet dApps, you earn XP and all, but these may not reflect immediately on your dashboard as they take a few hours to update. Sometimes they could take between 12 to 24 hours to update. So if your XP and all are not updating, don't worry, just keep interacting with the Testnet dApps. As you earn XP and all on your Arch network dashboard, your rank will increase. Once you attain a new rank, you can claim the respective role in the Discord channel. To do that, click update Discord role and your role will be updated in the Discord channel. On your Arch network dashboard, you can get your referral code by clicking referrals and clicking this copy icon to copy your referral link. So use this link to invite your friends to join the Arch network testnet. So that's it about the Archstronaut Testnet. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Archstronaut Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tips, and tutorials. If you haven't started the Plaza Finance Testnet, check out this video at the top of your screen to help you get started. The Yellow Testnet is live, so check out this video at the top of your screen to join the testnet and earn your berries. You'll also find a link to some of the hottest testnets in the bonus section of this video description. So check it out and sign up on as many testnets as you can. So keep interacting with the Archstronaut Testnet daily. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.